Yeah guys, big up on yourselves, you know. Welcome to another day of drive and whistle when I slung up. I park my park, you know. I can't drive and chat about that one, it's too big, you know. Yeah man, I tell you, I'm still tired, but I have to make sure that video you push out quick and fast. You know, the guy don't know a major event. You see me? Yeah man. So, I big up my subscribers them. I who not subscribe yet, consider doing that. Press up the subscription button, press up a like, and press up a share. Have to press up everything. Yeah, let me talk fast like I tell you my energy draining. I know me not sleeping, you know. So I want me to jump asleep when I talk, you know, brother. Alright, yeah, me say fast. The quick review of Freedom Street. Yeah man, so the show started on time as expected, you know, the hiccups and thing, but it got on well. Now, the big part of the show was when Nuffy announced Kartel on stage. Nothing short of magical. Nothing short of magical. And the man entered the stage and him delivered. Hits after hits after hits after hits. It's just to show when you put in the work, brother. When you put in the work, you know, it shows. Right? And him call on him people, them and him do them songs. So may I tell you, say, that part there did well. And that are the obvious. I'm not really come to talk about the obvious. So me talk about the unobvious. You see me? Now, you have to cloak up because yeah man, let me talk about it fast, quick and fast still. So my little review is a little different. I have to talk it different from everybody else, you know. You see me? You know, I talk like everybody else, you know. So me I gotta talk about the disappointment first. Get it out of the way. And then me go with my satisfaction and you know, all of them little things there because I want to get the bad news part out of the way. This disappointment is the viewership. Well, we can't to knock it down because I have to thief some viewership, you know. I pay for my viewership still. But I try to earn a profit. I be honest with you, you know. I try to earn a profit by sharing my thing. Zine and boy scatter them knock me off. Don't sound them. I can't ever find it. I could show you my phone with it. They knock me off. Copyright infringement. So you wanna that is my disappointment, but that is on me. So I gotta talk about as I say disappointment. Yeah. The viewership, me have a thief. Me have for most side me have a thief views because they strike me for a show the thing all over for try make back me little money when me pay for my ticket. So me have a thief some views. So a lot of it me end up miss, to be honest, and a lot of it me see. So me have to talk about me see, me not talk about what me not see. What me not see, somebody else will talk about, right? And the next part is the artists them. So me say Chronicler and Popcorn. Look like they have a little problem getting on stage because Vybz Kartel have to call for them and then come up. And also Bounty. You understand? Yes. I think I gotta talk about the Chronicler and Popcorn thing down in the last because I want to expound power me I gotta talk about with them. Right? And show immaturity and maturity and gratitude. Zin? Alright. So when we go into the satisfaction, Zin, the satisfaction part of it, there's so many. Zin? And as me say, me have to talk about this thing in a way where maybe a lot of people now look upon. Right? Because this is how we learn. The number one satisfaction I find in it, there was no bomb rushing on the stage. Nobody I run up there got chatting foolishness and too much artists up on stage and it look out of control. It wasn't. It looked so much control from apart from the late start, it looked so much control from ball one till down in the last. Right? That is what me like see and I hope a lot will learn from it still. The next part again is how the artists them just know say watcha. Them just spend a little time on stage because a whole heap of artists are come up. So then can do them piece, say respect Kartel and step off. No man not talk about no, oh boy, I have 20 minutes before perform. That man then give that man 10 and then give that man a 5 and me did really and truly that expert back there because me that talk to one of my friend and me I say, boy, how them a go manage the time? Look how much big artists are come up. You have Shatta Wally, you have Busta Rhyme, you have Popcorn, you have so much artists supposed to come up. So how the time I go? To my amazement, that wasn't an issue. The artists then come, them I say the artists then forward, them sing 2 songs. Because I'm not really too sing an artist sing now 10, 15 songs. 2 songs them sing and step off a stage. Thumbs up for that. Me I tell you say there's so much about it. Good. Then so that was one. That was another one. Right? And them give them respect. Then the next thing again is this is one point where I want looking at me, looking at cleanly. When the stage show go on, and you see some artists come up there with some big songs, right? The songs them big, you know. But look on the crowd reaction. And when I say look on the crowd reaction, I not go talk. A lot of time we can see in the crowd. We are see on the stage. But you can know when the crowd react heavily to big song pan a rhythm as opposed to the song will make them jump up and down. And I say that for say that's the difference between the trap hall and the dancehall beat. When Skilly come, Chronicler, the whole of them, then come up and them do some big songs. The reaction from the crowd was them just want video. And not jumping up and down and go on. You know say that element that left me water. That element there of dancehall I take time slip and me want the crowd look pan it and me want whosoever look pan it. When you hear them draw for some when Bounty come on stage and sing 2 songs, and you know say Bounty are hardcore dancehall. And when Vybz Kartel sing some of the songs them where dancehall song, like real dancehall, you get the crowd to jump up and down. The trap all don't allow, we not give that space there for the jumping up and down go on and yo, one's a light in the air, put up. The trap all is such a mellow vibe. We just hold a one vibe and hold a lick and sit down in the corner and song bad and we don't want to lose that element there no. Me want the man them looking at that. We don't want to lose that element there and so much of them type of rhythm there. The trap already dominate the dancehall. And we don't want that to happen. We want them to have them space, but remember, a dancehall then call for with it. And dancehall are the drum and the drum and the bass, the kick drum and the snare drum are them thing there. Then the dancehall and the rhythm make you dance. Where soca have, right? Where reggaeton have, and where Afrobeat have. Those beats will make you jump up and down. We don't want to lose it. Me hear Bounty talk about it all the while. We don't want to lose it. Be mindful of how we lose out to the rhythm. And it shows so evidently from Vybz Kartel show how much the trap all rhythm just hold a crowd and not make no jump up. Even Busta Rhyme come on stage. Busta Rhyme a rapper. But when in the on stage and not do him thing, nobody not really a jump. Then just alright, then we jump because they know a big song. And as them start sing now, no jumping no take place. You understand? The rocking of the crowd not there. When Shatta Wally come up and the rhythm allow you to jump up and down, you see really and truly why maybe you're not seeing a whole heap of jumping up and down to Shatta Wally's song is because we not to know it like that. So and Shatta Wally might not understand how to give this crowd instructions because the rhythm there now, the platform there for him tell the crowd say, watch out, ready. You see me? Stone Boy would be my artist. Me like Shatta too, but Stone Boy are my artist still. For a long time we know the two of them are rival artists, but Stone Boy are mine. So anyway, and when Vybz Kartel up there are doing thing, we know already. Say him not as agile as when him younger. So even though him have a big song, the big songs them when real out some of the time, him couldn't really, hold the crowd for all 1 minute and a jump up and down, So yeah, we already know that. But some big songs will play and then bring up him dancers them for overshadow the level of strength. When me did say initially how him I go perform, couple people come on this and cuss me off, And say me don't know me I say. When me say Vybz Kartel enough supposed to perform for less than 2 hours. Because I really and truly never know the amount of time I'm supposed to do it. But at 3 hours him saying perform. Which really and truly are much more than that. But me say him make the crowd sing enough of him songs them. And that happen. So whosoever cuss me out, if you apologize here. Experience him use. And run that. Good. So the jump up and down and thing where I'm going with him the car, because I remember saying him still physically challenging our sense. Not that great, you know. But you know him I go work on him thing. Alright. We're going at the benefits of the show. Me not think a lot of people really understand too much of the benefits of the show have. We know it mega, we know it huge. And we know a lot of big artists forward. Some come perform and some just come show some respect and some come show some support. What me understand is that the airspace did set away before the show started, the day before, and you know, which is good. It is good for the country. So economically, the show did a lot for the country, right? It did a lot for Joe Pocket, Joe Vybz Kartel Pocket. Do a lot for them and the sponsors and so on. But largely, it did a lot for Jamaica's pocket. Because look how much people get employment out of it. Directly and even indirectly. Because by me posting this year, me I get little employment. Because me I got chat. Yes, it did so much for the economy. And me say that for say, the government and the body that deals with music and culture, for looking at this here, and for structure the thing about music in our culture thing. Relax the laws where run it. Because you see when it a pump money into the economy, it have to be something that you have to looking at. And may I tell you the truth, I was disappointed in Kartel then, pre-prison, and I'm proud of him now. Maturity is everything. Time, God and time as they say. Yes. So overall, still as I said, the show is a major success. It is a landmark event that where we can learn from and capitalize on. May I beg Jamaica people and may I beg the promoters them. Take a template from this year. Don't fight it down and say your Vybz Kartel go like him a rare. Work it like this. This event brings so much to Jamaica. Make it work. Greatness in a way as a people. Keep it there so. But as usual, we have no to think about it. Here? Yes, people. As usual. Drop on the comments in and make we hear what go on. Make we discuss it. Who want cuss me out? Drop a comment there so make we see what we are talking about. As usual. Because you don't know. I have been in my dark because I spend the whole night. I want to sleep. But I have to make that video run out because I want to drop it early. As usual. Big up on yourself. Drive and whistle. Out.